In this video, we will present the Sherman DIGITIG 200DC Multipro Welder. The device belongs to the DIGITEC series designed for professional welding tasks. It is constructed using IGBT technology and features digital control. It is used for manual welding with direct current, DC, and allows arc ignition in both TIG HF and TIG lift methods. It is ideal for welding black steel, stainless steel, and non-ferrous metals. The welding kit includes an MMA welding handle for shielded metal arc welding, a ground cable, and a TIG handle model T26 with a swivel part for the torch. Connecting welding cables and handles is very intuitive. On the front panel, there are graphical markings indicating where each plug should be connected. For the TIG method, the ground cable is plugged into the positive polarity socket, while the handle is connected to the negative socket. Next, the control plug for the handle and the gas plug are inserted. The Pyrex TIG torch kits are included, designed for professional welding of alloys requiring good gas shielding. The transparent nozzle made of a special high-temperature resistant glass alloy provides the user with excellent visibility of the welding puddle, facilitating wire introduction and seam guidance. Additionally, the kits, equipped with a gas lens made of a special design, ensure excellent shielding of the electrode and its immediate surroundings. Pyrex-type kits enable welding in hard-to-reach places where a standard ceramic nozzle completely obstructs the welder's view and restricts the welding process. We will showcase the welder's control panel, functions, and adjustable welding parameters. The panel includes 4 mode selection buttons and a dial for adjusting individual parameters. Pressing the dial allows switching between available welding parameters. The pulse button selects the pulse welding mode or regular welding without pulsing. The mode button is used to choose the welding method: HF for TIG with high-frequency arc ignition, lift for TIG with arc initiation upon touching the tungsten electrode to the workpiece, and MMA for shielded metal arc welding. In MMA mode, you can adjust the welding current and, by pressing the dial, regulate the arc force function, controlling the welding arc dynamics. In TIG mode, you can also choose between 2-stroke and 4-stroke operations. Adjustable welding parameters for TIG include pre-flow gas, initial current value, rise time to the main current value, post-flow time, crater filling, final current value, and post-weld gas flow time. When welding in Puel's mode, additional parameters such as the lower current value as a percentage of the upper current value, the duration of each welding current, and the pulsing frequency can be adjusted. Welcome to our online store, dedicated not only to welders. We offer a wide selection of professional welding equipment, including welding machines, torches, electrodes, and welding accessories. A useful feature of this welder is the ability to save welding parameters in the device's memory. To save parameters, after setting their values, press and hold the memory button until the display starts pulsating. Then, select the channel under which you want your parameters to be saved. Confirm the channel selection by pressing the memory button again. Changing any parameter will exit the saved channel. Upon restarting the device, the most recently used parameters are available. A single press of the memory button selects the parameters saved on a specific channel.